Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at the euro versus the dollar and the pound versus the dollar, euro-dollar exchange rate and the cable exchange rate. Both in here shifting to a slightly more positive outlook for both those currencies versus the dollar, primarily though driven by US dollar weakness coming through in here into the second half of October, and again that really stemming from the fact that the Fed meeting minutes were slightly more dovish than anticipated, still concerns from the absence of inflation in the US economy, and then Friday's disappointing consumer price index data from the US, allowing the US dollar to weaken, so euro dollar higher and the pound versus dollar cable pushing higher, but also the fact that the Catalonian president here and saying that they're not going to go for the Declaration of Independence right now. That was a positive for the euro, and also some positive soundings out of the EU regarding Brexit in here, allowing the pound high. So euro dollar pushing back above this 118.32, 118.62 resistances, rejecting this kind of this head and shoulders topping pattern that we had previously, and real risk we feel for a pushback higher. And whilst holding above 116.61, the intermediate term bullish outlook remains very much intact. If we look at the pound in here versus the US dollar, we have this significant sell-off which neutralized positive bullish pressures. But now the market within this range theme we feel between 136.58 and 129.03. But this rebound that we've seen in here over the last week or so going into mid-October, certainly signifying a positive tone within that range, and real risks there are pushed to the upper end of the range as we go through mid-October. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.